you. There's no eggs. We checked before you.
No,
Then you came.
No,
the ranger.
That was in the morning. Nobody ever checked it.
I did. Remember, Mommy? When we were on the ranger with Sarita, they went to check the eggs.
Oh my gosh, Mommy! It flew over my head! Mommy! No.
Mommy,
Yes.
over my head.
One egg.
I got two. That was the
Hey.
only two. These are the only two.
Stick your hand in the person's butt.
No.
I got the only one.
Mommy, stop it.